I'm the Development Director for Green Hydrogen at RES, and my role is to look after the team who develop green hydrogen projects across the UK and Ireland. My typical working day is very varied. No 2 days are ever the same. We get involved in the whole spectrum of design and development of green hydrogen projects, so everything from grid connections to water connections, planning, land, design, infrastructure, and there's always a challenge to be solved, so every day is very different. I joined RES back in 1999 as a graduate engineer straight from university, and I've had many different roles within the company since then. I was inspired to be an engineer from a very early age. From school, my favourite subjects were maths and science. I come from a farming background, so I was always more happy to be outside tinkering with a piece of machinery with Dad than I was to be indoors doing anything else. So I took the route of science and engineering through school, and then went to college to do a BTEC in electrical engineering, and followed that through university and then into my employment at RES. I joined the IET when I was at university and went through professional registration to become a CEng shortly thereafter. So it felt like the natural course for me to move into fellowship application when the time was right, which I did a few years ago and was successful with my application. I'm very proud to be an IET Fellow and to be part of the IET, which is a highly prestigious organisation. And so I'm proud to wear the lapel pin on my jacket and be part of the IET's work that they do. I'm active within the IET on numerous different roles. So I'm a professional registration advisor, and I'm also a professional registration assessor. So I'm active in those roles. I have in the past been a mentor for the IET as well. I've been a member of the IET now for nearly 30 years, so I've used a whole host of the services available, from the library at Savoy Place through to the career manager online. Being a chartered engineer and a fellow of the IET has given me immense pride over my career, and I'm really pleased and honoured to be a part of this organisation.